A huge monster is grabbing the Gup A. Press on the correct result to activate the turbo booster on the Gup A. Good! Another sticker for your collection. Cool! Here you have your sticker. Cool! The Gup A managed to escape. Guide the Gup A back to the octopod. You won a sticker! Perfect! You won another sticker! Perfect! Captain Barnacles and Quasi have helped Engineer Tweak clean the Gup A following the instructions. First, you must wet the Gup A with the hose. Now add some soap to the Gup A. Now you must scrub the Gup A with the sponge. Rinse the Gup A again with the hose. Perfect! Now, you must spray the Gup A with the brightener. Time to dry the Gup A. Well done! Now it's nice and clean. Wow! You got another sticker! Great! You won a sticker! Well done! Pew!